guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we have Hallucinate by Dua Lipa, and I'm just gonna quickly show you that how to play on the guitar with the cool bassline stuff we have. And that's the reason I mostly love Dua Lipa's song, because these are such a nice stuff, like of that, like we get that groove over there, and it's so fun to hear. Get a love song vibe in a song, and the reason I like it. Like, I don't like sad songs and all. The reason is they're boring. But this song is actually like bop bop, nice one. So let's get started. We have the keyboard on the first fret, and if you just have a look at the chord shapes, we have 4 chords and we're actually done. So we just have a look at the structure, and then I'm just going to show you the chord shapes and the bassline stuff we have for this song. So we have the first chord is the A major, which is mute 0 2 2 2 0. Then you have an A minor. We just gonna shuffle from that A minor, A major. Like we just gonna play a game with that A major, A minor, major, minor, major, minor. But it's gonna alter in a way which makes it sound more better for this song. So A minor is mute 0 2 2 1 0. So major, minor, F major 1 3 3 2 1 1. G major 3 2 0 0 3 3. And that's the chord we need for the song. So before starting with this lesson, just want to show you guys is, if you won't mind, please subscribe, because I just want to reach 2,000 subscribers in this month. I know it's a bit hard, but you guys can obviously do that. And thanks for all your support. I see nowadays like everything is up, and also I worked hard also putting 12 videos in a single day, cover the whole Juice WRLD album in a single day. That's not that easy, and everything with tabs and mostly accurate. So that's the reason. So please subscribe. Make sure to drop in one of these. Check out my channel. You can just search the Bang Boy Dua Lipa guitar tutorials. It'll actually find Break My Heart and all. And I always just arrange that all stuff of this bass line over here, like we had for that song, Break My Heart. Super. Then also what's that? Don't Start Now. Those are actually nice songs, you can check out. Now, with no further delay, I'm talking a lot. Let's get started. Keyboard on the first fret. Have a look at the structure. We start off with intro, verse, pre-chorus, chorus, drop. Verse, pre-chorus, chorus, drop. Bridge, chorus, drop, and that's it for the song. Same chord progression throughout the whole song. So let's have a look at the chord progression. We have an A major, again an A major. So A major gets repeated 2 times. 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. Then you have F 1 2 3 4 G. And now I'm just gonna show you the rhythm in a second, but before that I just want to clear the bass line stuff with you guys, which is all on the E string related to capo on the first fret. It's very easy. Just one thing. So basically what we do is we just play with this 3rd fret on the E string and 5th fret on the E string. We likely do one hammer on from 3rd to 5th fret on the E string, and that's basically the bassline stuff. And when you go to the last flag, you play that 4 times. So we have A major, second time, goes the F major chord, time. And when you move on to the G major chord, you do a bit different. You just go to the opposite. You play 5th fret, pull off to the 3rd fret. If you hear the song, you will completely get that. So let's see how it sounds with the A chord progression. Be like A major, F, G, which I told you before. So let's play that. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3. So now you can just even play the bassline stuff, and you can just sing along with that. No need to play the chords if you find that a bit hard. That's basically all the stuff. Now for the intro, we just have the A major chord. So the A major chord, we're just gonna play that. You will just lightly strum the chords. You're just gonna play the A string, D string, G string. Likely you can say I just want to get that power chords vibe. So you can just play the A major chord and just play the A, D, and the G string down. And I do down, down, down. So after doing it down and just keep my hand on the string, you can do that stuff with your left hand, or you can use your right hand, whatever feels easy to you guys. So you can just do that, 4 down stroke in each chord, and that goes for the intro, just the A major chord. And between you can just play the bassline stuff over here. Then you move on to verse, and the verse and pre-chorus I like to keep that pretty same. So the verse and pre-chorus, the chord progression is a major, F, G, and chord progression which I like to do is string pattern which I want to do is down, down, down. So I do 3 downstroke, and after that I play the bass line stuff over here. If you don't want to play that, you can obviously do 4 downstroke, replacing that one bass line stuff line over there. So you can just do 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. You can just do that, or you can just do. Again, see, I only strum the A, D, G strings. For the F major chord and the G, I strum the E, A, D string. So basically, I focus on strumming the top string for this part, and when I just go to the chorus, I just go bang. So till now, pre-chorus and verse. 2, 3, 1, back, back, back. F major, G major. When I move on to the chorus, the chord progression, chorus and drop, you can see I just want to show you two string pattern. This chord progression remains same, except we just likely interchange between that minor and major, like we do a transition from a minor to a major for the chorus. So you can just play A minor, you can just put your pinky up and down, and go in a way like that. Throughout the whole chorus, what you can do is you can on the A major chord, you can just change with that A minor and major. It takes very little effort to do that, and that sounds amazing, truly. So let's see. The string pattern will be down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. 4 times on each chord. Since we have the A major chord or the A minor chord combined together, we have that 2 times. So we will be doing a down, up. 8 times on the A major chord, down, up. 4 times on the F major, down, up. 4 times on the G major chords. So let's see how it sounds. 1, 2, 3, 4. See now I play with the A minor and the major chords. All you is you can just play the minor or the major, doesn't matter. Now we have the drop, and for the drop I got a different nice rhythm over here. It's gonna be a down. It's a down, down, up, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 down. So keep your hand. See how it look at the rhythm. Down, down, up, down, down, down. So down, down, up, down, down, down. Down, down, up, down, down, down. Down, down, up, down, down, down. Down, down, up, down. Again, you can just do the transition from a minor to a major on the A. And this goes once for all the chord shapes shown in the screen. So let's play that. After that we have the next verse, next pre-chorus, next chorus. Till now it was super easy, and throughout the whole song it's obviously gonna be very easy. Then we have the bridge, and for the lead bridge I just want to do that chorus verse rhythm over here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Same chord progression. It's actually throughout the whole song, but just for the intro we have that A going for a couple of times, and then we just have that A, F, G. This goes for the bridge, or you can even just do one down on all the chord, and that goes for the bridge. Pretty nice, pretty great, pretty easy, obviously. Then we have the last chorus and last drop, exactly same. I just get a bit louder, and that's it for this lesson. I hope you just subscribe, because I also plan to do something very special. I'm just gonna make a vlog, guitar reveal and a face reveal. I mean, guitar means a new guitar which I've not shown you, and it's actually my favorite guitar, and it's much better than this one, obviously. And I do some soloing stuff and all on that guitar, so just gonna do the vlogs. So please subscribe. I will be just doing that. See when things are actually getting a bit stable. As soon as I see, I'm just gonna do the vlog. That's it, and thanks for your support, and see you guys back in the next video. Till then, bye.